Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw Snow White. You can draw any Disney princess using this method. Here on a circle I have marked up the lines where we are going to draw her eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, her forehead and her chin. This will make it easier to draw her. I have marked up these boxes to draw her eyes. So let's start with her eyes. At this stage, I am drawing her eyes with very less pressure on pencil because if I don't like the shape, I can still erase them. I think this eye is looking nice now. So let's draw the other one. If you are enjoying this video, then please give it a like and comment down your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, then please let me know in the comment section below. Let's draw her eyebrows now. I tried to make this drawing very easier and not to complicate it. Just like I said in my earlier videos, always draw eyes first, then nose and then lips. Let's draw her lips now. I'm happy with it now. Let's draw her face now. I'm still not adding much pressure on my pencil. Now let's draw her hair. I am drawing with less pressure because I can still change a bit of things if I don't like them. And this is it. I want to add some flowers to it to add some creativity. You can keep it as it is, or you can do anything you like. At first I tried experimenting with this flower, but later on I didn't like it that much, so I'm thinking of changing the idea. I'm erasing this flower and I'm thinking of drawing a rose. I think this looks nice. I'm happy with this idea. So I'll draw the other ones as well. This is looking nice now. This is the time to erase all our guidelines. If you don't like any part, you can still erase and redraw it. I'll just quickly erase all this and quickly redraw this with a dark pencil.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,
I am happy with this right now.
chemicals collide. Hold tight,
This is complete now. This is the final look. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.